19-year-old boy charged after brandishing firearm. St. James records first murder for 2024. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 19-year-old boy was recently arrested and charged after he brandished a firearm to a female in Duncan's in Trelawney. Charged with assault at common law and possession of prohibited weapon is Davian Lawrence of Redway Bottom in the parish. Reports are that Lawrence brandished a firearm to a female in a threatening manner. A report was made to the police, after which Lawrence turned himself in. He was charged after a question and answer session. His court date is being finalized. St. James records first murder of 2024 in shocking incident. Wednesday, January 3rd, 2024, 11:45 a.m., mechanic Michael Shaw, 40, was attacked at his garage. He was later rushed to the Cornwall Regional Hospital, where he was pronounced dead on arrival. More details to come following further investigations.